Hey everybody, happy Father's Day weekend. I hope it's a good one. I'm actually in the studio today to give you a no fuss Gus look at how to split a photo for Instagram. All right, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna jump on into it real fast because this one's not gonna be a long video at all. I couldn't seem to find anywhere on YouTube that gave a really, straightforward approach to it. I really don't need a lot of fluff. Give me the knowledge and then I'll do with it what I want to, right? I mean, I'm sure that's what you want. So here we go. All right, slice this image down the middle so that way you can put a full scaled landscape photo on Instagram. All right, I'm gonna head on up to the slice tool here. We're gonna go ahead and right click it, boop, and we are going to select the slice tool. And then we're gonna come out to the photo and actually right click it. Don't click anything else, just right click it, go down to divide slices. Bingo, right there. You can divide slices evenly. You can divide them by 4, you can divide them by 5, 45 even. But right now, we only wanna divide it in half. So you're gonna need 2. So after that, click OK. And then this is the part that got me for the longest time. I tried to save it over and over and over, and it would just save the photo. I tried to delete one of the slices and save it, and then undo it, and then delete the other slice, and then save it. It doesn't work. So just come on up here to File, and I can't see my computer. There we go. And then you're gonna export it, but you're going to save for web. And then when you come into save for web, you have all your usual stuff up top, you know, save for JPEG or let's say PNG, yada, 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 or GIF. I honestly went with JPEG because that's what you're going to post in anyway, or Instagram is going to crush your photo. And then I went with maximum quality just because a downgraded JPEG, less quality. I want the max out of my photo. And then you can save. And you can click and basically put it anywhere you want to. I have already actually done it. So what I'm gonna do is back out of this and I'm gonna show you where I saved it. So I saved it in a folder, my Instagram folder. And then I come back down here and I can bring up my files and my Instagram folder. And then right at the top is where it's gonna save. It's gonna save in its own folder. It's just an image file. So you click in and then bam, slice and dice. Right there. That's all you need. That's all I wanted to show you. If you got anything out of this video, like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Hit that bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. Thank you. Have a good Father's Day. Later.